Now that we've introduced the course, let's take our first step into the world of design thinking. And to do that, we need to start with a simple question. What is design thinking? Design thinking is a human-centered approach to problem solving that helps us navigate messy, open-ended challenges, especially the kind where there's no single right answer. And let's be honest, those are the kind of challenges we face the most often. Whether you're designing a product, improving a service, trying to change a system, the path forward isn't always clear. And this is where design thinking shines. Design thinking begins with people. We start by building empathy, really listening, observing, to try and understand what others feel, need, and value. From there, we define the problem more clearly, generate ideas, test solutions, and refine along the way. Design thinking is both a process and a mindset. It invites us to stay curious, to work collaboratively, and to get comfortable with experimentation and iteration. It's not about jumping to the best idea, it's about understanding people's needs, reframing the problem, generating lots of ideas, and testing those ideas quickly to learn what works. Each step helps you stay grounded in the needs of people and push towards a more thoughtful, creative solution. You don't have to be a designer to use design thinking. You just need to be open to exploring ways of seeing and solving. Throughout this course, we'll walk through the key phases of design thinking, look at real examples, and give you the opportunity to apply it yourself. So take a deep breath, bring in your curiosity, and let's dive in. Design thinking is especially powerful for what we call wicked problems. These are complex, shifting, deeply human challenges, climate change, educational quality, where every solution changes the problem itself. They're tough to define, and they don't have a simple right answer, and they involve people with different perspectives and competing needs. In these kinds of situations, traditional problem solving isn't enough. Design thinking gives us a way to move forward, not by having all the answers, but by starting with empathy and designing through iteration. And here's the best part. Design thinking is accessible to everyone. You don't need to be an artist or an engineer or professional designer. If you're willing to listen, experiment, and stay open, you can do this work. This week is also about making a connection between creativity and design thinking. We often think of creativity as an inspiration or a talent, but in this course, we'll treat it as a practice, a mindset that helps you respond to the world in new ways. Design thinking helps unlock that mindset. It gives you tools to stretch your thinking, include others in the process, and create with purpose. Whether you see yourself as creative or not, this course is here to help you develop that confidence and apply it to the kinds of challenges that matter. Before you move on, take a moment to complete the creativity perception quiz. This is a short little survey designed to help you reflect on where you currently view your own creativity. This is not a test. There are no right or wrong answers. The goal is simply to establish a baseline for your own self-perception. So be honest with yourself and don't overthink it. Just respond with where you are right now. The survey will open in a new tab. Once you've completed the survey, you can jump back into Canvas and continue with the rest of the module.